Hey everyone, one of those tough smartphones that doesn't draw much attention in the general market but makes an impression once you get your hands on it is the AGM G3. It feels kind of like a hidden gem because there isn't a lot of information about it online. The G3 carries on AGM's tradition of creating durable, unique, and feature-rich gadgets that prioritize functionality over glitz. The G3's construction seems sturdy and high-end, despite being composed of metal, rubber, and plastic, the standard ingredients for a robust gadget. It is completely impervious to dust, grime, and high-pressure water jets thanks to its IP69 certification. There is a microphone on top and a USB-C charging connector with a rubber cover, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and another microphone on the bottom. The design on the back is quite striking. It has a huge, incredibly bright flashlight in the middle, which is helpful for emergencies or outdoor activities. A wireless charging module that supports up to 18-watt charging is located beneath it. These are still uncommon in tough smartphones. It is one of the loudest phones in its class thanks to a huge 5-watt speaker that can reach an amazing 116 decibels. A 6.72-inch with full HD plus resolution, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and 450 nits of brightness makes up the front display. Although the brightness and viewing angles may be improved, the colors are vibrant and the touch reaction is quick. Although obvious, particularly on the chin, the bezels are appropriate for a tough design. The Dimensity 7300 CPU powers the AGM G3's internal components. Hardcore gamers won't be satisfied with this processor, but it's more than sufficient for daily use, social media, and even some gaming. Reliability is more important to most consumers when purchasing a tough phone than performance, and the G3 excels in this regard. One of the most notable aspects is the battery life. With moderate use, the G3's enormous 10,000 mAh capacity easily lasts up to 3 days on a single charge. Both 18-watt wireless charging and 33-watt rapid charging are supported. AGM made minor customizations to the software experience, which is based on Android 15. With no bloatware and complete support for several languages, the UI is clear and useful. Additionally, a theme store that offers a wide range of free visual customization possibilities is pre-installed. The AGM G3 has 2 cameras, a 50 megapixels front-facing camera, and a 64 megapixels primary camera. Although image quality is not solely determined by megapixels, the outcomes are notably superior to those of previous AGM models. In ideal lighting conditions, photos are crisp, detailed, and colorful. However, low light performance still needs work. Full HD at 60 frames per second and 4K at 30 frames per second can be recorded using the primary camera. All things considered, the AGM G3 seems like a well-designed, rugged smartphone that offers affordability, functionality, and a distinctive style. Although it's not flawless, the software may still use some upgrades, the cameras could be improved, and the screen could be brighter. It succeeds in standing out in a market where repetitious designs are the norm. At $269 on AliExpress, it's a great deal for anyone looking for a durable phone that can withstand harsh conditions without compromising on contemporary features like wireless charging and NFC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.